Today we got a big project on our hands. This is something that I wanted to go over with you guys. Our client here is going to be getting ceramic tints done. We're doing a front end PPF for the full front end, and then we're going to do a 10-year ceramic coating. Doing the paint protection film on the front of the car is going to protect it from all that incoming damage that you would be getting. The ceramic tint is going to protect the whole interior from getting damaged from the UV rays. If you have the budget to, doing the full car in paint protection film is the most ideal, but it's not the budget friendliest. So the best next option is to do a ceramic coating on the back half of the car. The reason why we recommend doing the ceramic coating for this vehicle is because he does park under trees. You can see a lot of leaves already. This car is brand new. He has gone nowhere with this car because he wanted to make sure that it got fully protected and clean, to the point that the mats are still in the trunk. This car has 300 miles on it. This car has been driven once. There is a scratch in the paint. Does not matter if your car is brand new. It is 100% possible to have scratches, swirls, damage on your paint right here. Luckily, he's taking it to some pros, so we are going to be getting that taken care of, and he is going to have a perfect brand new car. So we just brought the vehicle in. The first step of taking care of this car is giving it a rinse wash. We're going to start off by cleaning the rims so that by the time I get around, I'm going to be ready to do the foam bath and then also be ready to scrub the rims. So now that we did a foam bath and we cleaned the rims, now we did a full rinse off of the foam bath. So now we're going to re-foam it again, and then we're going to do a hand wash now. Now that the car has gone through the foam wash and the hand wash, we're on the final steps, and that is going to be doing an iron decontamination on the rest of the paint, getting rid of any of the harsh metals. So this is going to help lift up that dirt, and then we're going to go over and do a clay bar right after. All right, so we got this Beamer in. We're doing 5% tint on all side windows, and then we're going to go ahead and put 30% on the front windshield. Now that we've installed the tint, the PPF, and we've done a polish to the rest of the paint, now it's ready for Chemical Guy's clean slate. What this is going to do is going to remove any of the oils, any of the polish that's on the car so that it could be ready for the ceramic coating. Today we're going to be using System X Max 10-year ceramic coating.